Hello guys, welcome to SimTech Hub, and in today's video I want to show you guys how to download the CryptoNest app on your phone. Whether you are using an Android or an iPhone, this video is for you because I'll guide you on how to install their app. Okay, so without wasting my time, let's go to our browser and I will search for their website. Okay, so the website is called CryptoNest.trade. Okay, so I'll search for CryptoNest.trade. This is the homepage of the platform. Okay, and it's an investment platform, as you know. So now let me show you guys how to download their app. We have so many ways to download their app. You can either click on this menu bar, then you click on this app to download their app, or you can just scroll down to like somewhere here. You can see when you scroll down to this referral commission, you see download app over there. Okay, so there are so many ways to download the app. Okay, so let's use this menu bar option. I will just click on this menu bar, then I will click on app. Okay, so I'll click on this app, and this page will appear. So CryptoNest app. Okay, manage your investment anytime, anywhere with the CryptoNest app. Simple, secure, and built for smart earning. Okay, so they have an app for Android and they have an app for iPhone. Okay, so for Android users, it's very simple to download the app. We just need to click on this Google Play, and automatically an APK will pop up for you to click download and install the app. Okay, but if you're using an iPhone, this is how to install the app. Okay, so to install the app, you need to click on this App Store. Okay, so when you click on this App Store, you see this information over here. Okay, so you just need to first tap on the share icon, then tap add to home screen, then click on add. Okay, so let's do as the information said. You just need to click on this three dots over here, then you click on the share button, then you scroll down, you will see add to home screen. You click on this add to home screen, then you wait for some minutes for this app to appear. You can see the icon has appeared over here. Okay, so when this icon appeared, then you click on this add, and automatically it will be installed on your phone for you to access it. Okay, so I'll click on this add, and you can see the app has been installed on my phone, and it's very simple. You can just click on this app and you can log in your account and start investing with this platform. Okay, so this is their app. Okay, on my iPhone, the CryptoNest app. Okay, so if this video helped you to download your app on either your Android or your iPhone, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.